Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair gained 1.4% in the last session after rising as much as 2.2% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Taiwan's TSMC, which is making an unprecedented push into chip manufacturing overseas, is taking an increasingly optimistic view of Japan as a production base, two industry sources said, as problems persist at its new factory in Arizona. European shares closed lower, with industrials leading declines and BP shares falling after the oil firm CEO's abrupt exit, while investors braced for the European Central Bank's monetary policy decision. Binance US CEO Brian Schroeder has left the crypto exchange, and the company has eliminated 1/3 of its workforce. It's been a tough year for crypto exchanges in the US, with Binance US feeling particular pressure, with SEC suing the company in June for allegedly violating securities laws.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's unemployment rate will be released at 0130 GMT, Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT, the US retail sales at 12:30 GMT. Finland's consumer price index will be released at 0500 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Australia's employment change at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.